Stop washing your hair and wondering why it still looks dull, oily, or flat within hours. What if I told you that the secret to glass hair is not in your shampoo bottle, but on your scalp? Today I am revealing the exact 24-hour scalp detox and hair transformation protocol that is taking over social media in 2026. This is the skinification of hair, treating your scalp like your face to unlock mirror shine, weightless, camera-ready hair without expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. If you have tried every serum, mask, and oil but your hair still lacks that reflective glow, stay with me. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand exactly how to reset your scalp microbiome, balance oil production, and activate the natural shine that has been hiding under buildup and inflammation. Let us begin. Your scalp is skin. It has pores, oil glands, and a delicate microbiome of beneficial bacteria. When this ecosystem is disrupted by product buildup, hard water, stress, or harsh sulfates, your scalp becomes inflamed. Inflammation triggers excess oil production, which weighs hair down and attracts dirt. Dirt clogs follicles, which blocks healthy hair growth and creates dullness. This is why washing more often does not fix the problem. You are treating the symptom, not the cause. The solution is a strategic reset. Gentle cleansing to remove buildup without stripping, targeted actives to calm inflammation, and strategic hydration to restore balance. This is the foundation of the scalp first revolution. Hour 0 to 4 begins with assessment and gentle clarification. Before applying any product, examine your scalp. Part your hair in several sections under good light. Do you see white flakes? That could be dryness or fungal imbalance. Do you see yellow, greasy buildup? That is sebum and product residue. Do you see redness or tiny bumps? That is inflammation. Your observation determines your approach. Next, prepare a scalp detox rinse. After washing, gently squeeze out water with microfiber towel. Never rub. Apply a leave-in scalp serum containing peptides, caffeine, or blow drying. Hair should feel lightweight, look reflective, and move freely. Hour 12 to 16 is styling and thermal setting. If you desire straight or styled hair, ensure hair is completely dry before using hot tools. Set flat iron temperature based on hair type, fine or color treated at 300 degrees, medium at 350, coarse at 400 maximum. Take small sections, 1 inch wide. Clamp iron at roots and glide down in one smooth motion. One pass is ideal. After styling, do not touch hair until completely cool. Cooling sets the shape. This is thermal setting. Cooling sets the shape. This is thermal setting. Cooling sets the shape. This is thermal setting. This is thermal setting.